Hello friends, welcome to our channel in Yoga with Krishna. I'm your Guru Krishna. So guys, before we start anything, I request you please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get more video updates every day. And now let's talk about what we are learning today. Guys, today we are learning a new pranayama called bhramari, and you can say be breathe. Yes guys. But before how we do it and how many times we can do it, who should do it, who should not do it, and what is the main benefit and what precaution you should have, before that let's just see how it's done. So first I will show you how to do it, and then I'll teach you step by step how we do it. Just first now just see it. Okay guys, so now you just seen how we do it, and now I'll teach you step by step how you can do it. So first guys, what is this position, how you put your hands on your eyes and how you keep your eyes. So first these two fingers just push on your eyes, and these two fingers just above your eyelashes, and these finger here, and by your thumb you just close your ear. Like this is the part you should press like this, so it will close your ear. Okay, and then deep breathe in, and then just make a humming sound. This is the sound you should make while breathing out. So just let's do with me. Put those finger here, this one here, and this index finger here, and by thumb just close your ears and deep breathe in and make humming sound. One more time. And now please don't open your eyes, just rub your hands together like this, make them warm, and then slightly put on your eyes. Gently do it, don't press too hard, just gently here, forehead, cheeks, and the last throat, and then slowly open your eyes. So now it's how we do it. Now let's talk about how many times you can do it. You can start with 3 to 5 times. If you're new, just do it 3 times. Just deep breathe and then make a sound, and 3 times do it. And if you are doing quite some time, then just go more than 5 times. But be comfortable. Don't put so much pressure on yourself. Just do it 3 to 5 times. That's enough for starting. And now, guys, let's talk about some major benefit. The first major benefit is that it's calm and relax your full body. It's calm your mind, it's calm your body, it's calm your muscles, your nerves. These pranayams improve your memory power, and it's very good for blood circulation. Also it's very good for anxiety, depression. It's also increase your blood purification. This is the major benefit. And also there is one major benefit about that, this improve your vocal quality or your voice quality. So guys, just do it. And now let's talk about who should not do it. There is no particular age or any disease that you can't do it. Anyone can do it. So there is nothing or no one can't do it. So everyone can do it. And so that's all about this pranayams. Before you go just anywhere else to watch something other videos, I just will request you, please if you like this video, then share with everyone wherever you can, and subscribe this channel. And if you have any requirement or any question you want to ask, then just comment in the below section. And thank you so much guys for watching. See you.